Thinking about buying a sewing machine in 2025? Stop right there. The wrong choice could waste your money and time. Welcome to Top Home Finds, your go-to source for smart home and lifestyle recommendations. Before we dive into the top 5 best sewing machines for 2025, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest buying guides. First up is the Janome MC6650. Here are some advantages of the Janome MC6650. Professional speed and precision, delivers up to 1,000 stitches per minute with a superior feed system, ensuring smooth fabric handling and flawless stitch quality for both delicate and heavy materials. Spacious work area, features a 10-inch all-metal seamless flatbed, providing ample space for large projects such as quilting, home decor, and garment construction. Versatile stitch options, offers 172 built-in stitches, including 9 one-step buttonholes and 2 alphabets, giving users extensive creative flexibility for decorative and functional sewing. Durable construction with advanced features, built with a heavy-duty metal frame and equipped with conveniences like an automatic thread cutter, superior needle threader, and independent bobbin winding motor for efficiency and reliability. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Juki TL-2000Qi. Here are some advantages of the Juki TL-2000Qi. High-speed performance, capable of sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute, this machine ensures fast and precise stitching, making it ideal for large quilting projects and heavy fabrics. Industrial quality build, constructed with a sturdy aluminum die-cast frame, it minimizes vibration and provides long-lasting durability for professional-level sewing. Spacious work area, includes an extended throat space and optional extension table, offering ample room for maneuvering large quilts and home decor projects with ease. Convenient features for efficiency, equipped with an automatic needle threader, thread trimming system, adjustable pressure foot pressure, and bright LED lighting for a smooth and user-friendly sewing experience. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Brother CS7000X. Here are some advantages of the Brother CS7000X. Versatile stitch selection, offers 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and utility options, along with 7 one-step buttonholes for a wide range of sewing projects. User-friendly design, features an easy-to-use LCD display, automatic needle threader, and quick-set drop-in bobbin system, making setup and operation simple for beginners and experienced users alike. Enhanced quilting capability. Comes with an extended wide table and 10 included sewing feet, providing flexibility and support for larger projects such as quilts and home decor. Durable and reliable performance. Built with a strong metal frame for stability and smooth stitching, ensuring consistent results even on thicker fabrics. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Here are some advantages of the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. High-speed stitching, delivers up to 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing users to complete projects quickly without compromising stitch quality. Powerful motor for heavy fabrics, equipped with a strong motor that easily handles thick materials like denim, canvas, and leather, making it ideal for heavy-duty sewing tasks. Versatile stitch options, offers 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole styles, providing flexibility for a variety of sewing projects. Durable metal frame construction, built with a robust interior metal frame for stability and long-lasting performance, ensuring consistent results even under demanding conditions. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the Bernette B77. Here are some advantages of the Bernette B77. Extensive stitch selection, offers 500 built-in stitch patterns, including utility, decorative, quilting stitches, and 17 one-step buttonholes, providing exceptional versatility for creative projects. Advanced control and navigation, features a 5-inch color touchscreen and multifunction knobs for easy stitch customization, tension adjustments, and access to on-screen tutorials and a sewing consultant. Dual feed system for precision, ensures even fabric feeding from above and below, delivering accurate stitching on multiple layers and preventing slipping or puckering on delicate or heavy fabrics. Convenience and comfort features. Includes a semi-automatic needle threader, programmable foot control with back kick function, and a large extension table for handling big projects like quilts with ease. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Thank you so much for watching Top 5 Best Sewing Machines, your ultimate 2025 buying guide. We truly appreciate your time and hope this guide helps you choose the perfect machine for your projects. Wishing you success and creativity in all your sewing endeavors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Home Finds for more expert tips and buying guides. See you in the next video.